Hi there, my name is Jerome C. Formentera. I graduated from Caraga State University with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. I recently got my license 2 years ago. I am applying for the position of Agricultural Equipment Design Engineer, and before applying for this position, I studied the job description carefully to make sure I have the skills and qualities to excel in the position. I am an active problem solver, flexible, and trustworthy person who can work quickly and complete everything to a high standard. I have experience dealing with the customer, working on time-sensitive projects, and be a great model and a great coworker to the company. I will take my ongoing professional development so I can always add values to my team. I am looking forward to my job interview very soon.